Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. It's really important for me that my car smells good because I'm frequently traveling with others, but here's the thing, I hate store-bought car air fresheners. They're so powerful, I can't handle them, but these little beauties right here, these are from KILOSTEP. They're essential oil car diffusers, so easy to use. They just have these little tension clips on the back that you hook directly to the vent in your car, and inside is little lava beads. So you put your essential oil, whatever you like, right on top of the wood. It absorbs into the stone as well as the wood, and that's it. What I love about this is it's a natural way to make your car smell amazing, and you can switch and tailor the scent to whatever you choose. I have tons of essential oils. So right now I have chosen a really nice fall blend because we're in the middle of fall. So maybe I'll change it out in the winter and the spring and the summer. So that's kind of fun because I can tailor it to whatever I'm in the mood for. These work really well. People that come in my car notice the scent right away and make comments, and everyone enjoys the scent. It doesn't overpower them either. I find so far the scent seems to last about a week or so. I've just been keeping an essential oil in my car and replenishing the scent as needed, but the longer you use them, the longer it's also supposed to hold the scent. So I think over time, I will have to add oils less frequently. These are also really cute and stylish. They have lots of different designs to choose from. So if you want your car to smell amazing, you should check them out. And that's my point of view.